Alright, we've been through 3 bags to go. Told you it was a big one. Might need to stop right now and go get you a little drink, hit pause, and come back.
Hey designers, and welcome back. We have been to the Dollar Tree and have quite a large haul. So if you want to see what all we got, just stick around. Welcome back, you guys, and a huge welcome to those of you that may be new here. I am Deena, and you have landed here at DeeVine DeeZine, and on this channel we do so many fun things. Dollar Tree hauls are but a small little part of what we do here, so hopefully you'll hit that subscribe button and stay around a while. Join the family. But today we're going to talk all about the Dollar Tree. I've got a pretty large haul. If you've been watching the channel for any length of time, then you know the last few have been kind of small, but this time I found several things over $50 worth. So let's just jump right on in, shall we? Those of you that have been around my channel for any length of time know that we never do this in any kind of order. I do not group this stuff into categories for you. We just pull it out of the bags and go item by item. So first thing that I picked up was these super adorable little fancy glitter heart. Well, they're not really glitter. They are like the long sequins and beads. I guess more like a bead, not necessarily a sequin, but nonetheless, they come on a little branch like this. There are 5 little hearts. You got to be careful though, because I picked up some of these little sprigs and a few of the little hearts were missing because they do pull off real easily. You see how that happened there? And so some of them were missing some. So if you're going to pick any of these up, make sure that you thumb through and find the one that has all 5 of those little hearts so you're not cheated any. I picked up 3 bunches of those for a very special DIY. Next up in that first bag, it looks like it's all about Gunner. You know that we have been buying some stuff for Gunner there. The first thing that we picked up was this little snack bone right here. This is supposed to be a dentist stick. It's Denta Mint. It is a snack chewing little, not really a bone, but just something they can chew on that's supposed to help freshen their breath. It is made in the USA, so we're hoping this works because sometimes when he's close and he's breathing, he needs a dentist stick. You can see we've already been in this one, giving him a few treats, but we did pick up another little bag of the treats there. He seems to enjoy these quite a bit. This one is from Alpo. The ones we showed you last time was another brand, but he likes them both equally as well. And these are just those fun little treats that we can give him while we're trying to train him. And again, made in the USA. And we also picked him up one of these little peanut butter bones. We've showed you this before, and he absolutely loves these. And it is made in the USA. So why not give him a treat? Next, we picked up some of these adorable little push pins in that beautiful copper color. Thought these were absolutely gorgeous. Not 100% sure yet what I'm going to be doing with all of these, but they were just too pretty to leave on the shelf. Baby girl was with me on this trip, and she saw that Elf had a new little brush inside the Dollar Tree. This one here is a tapered brush, a small tapered brush, so she picked one of those up. To go along with that DIY that you saw those little beaded hearts with, I did pick up some of the little rose petals. If you can't find these up near the Valentines section, be sure that you look on the aisle where they have all the party supplies and wedding type supplies, because I saw some over there and they had more of a variety of colors. So always check around. To go with a different DIY that I will be working on for you guys, I did want to pick up one of the little heart form rings. These are the little wire wreath forms that you've seen me use before. As a matter of fact, this back here has one of these underneath it that I used last year. So while I saw them, I went ahead and picked up 2 because you just never know when you're going to get in a creative mood. To go along with those little copper push pins, not sure why these weren't all bagged in the same bag, but they did have the copper paper clips, so picked some of those up as well. Baby girl has a friend who is having a birthday soon, so she did pick up a little card there. Just want to let you guys know that the Dollar Tree is a great place to get greeting cards because they're 50 cents a piece. Who can beat that? Now, some of their specialty ones, like when they roll out for Valentine's Day and they're more of the handmade type cards, are a full $1. But as a general rule, the cards inside of Dollar Tree are only 50 cents. So great place to get those cards. I don't think that the hubs will see this video, so let's hope that he doesn't, because spoiler alert, if he is watching, I picked this up for him for Valentine's Day. They had a little display that had all kinds of the little Valentine books, and some of them were full of poetry, some of them were just different little things that people had written, not necessarily poems, but just little like love note type things. But this one I really enjoyed because it says love notes from me to you, and check it out. On the inside here, it's got some blank pages where you can fill it out and make it a personalized little love book to that special person in your life. So I thought that was going to be super fun, and I can't wait to fill it out and give it to him for Valentine's Day. If you guys have been following over on DeeVine Health, then you know that I have started adding in some healthy grocery hauls for you guys, and also recipes for you guys. And coming up very soon, I'm going to be having some videos on food prep and how to measure out your food and have it already pre-packaged, ready to go for when you have the munchies. So if you haven't yet subscribed over there to DeeVine Health, you're going to want to do that, because that's where I'm talking all about food. I know some of you have been watching Transformation Tuesday and you're commenting down below about wanting to know what I'm eating and all that kind of stuff, and I've been showing you now since the 1st of January, but it's all over there on that channel. So in order to do that for you, I did pick up some of these little Sure Fresh containers. Now, you guys have seen me haul these many times because I use them for little craft things, sequins and beads and different other organizations. You've seen me use these in my junk drawers. I have a video on that, so you've seen how I use them for little trinkets that have no other home. But this time I picked them up for some of that food, and I'm going to be showing you how you can separate out some of your snacks and have them pre-weighed out, ready to go, so that you don't over snack and you can keep on that weight loss. Because of that video, I did pick up some of these little containers. These are also Sure Fresh. Not sure how well you can see that. This is a 5 count. And let's see how big these are. It just says small, round. Yeah, it holds 1 cup or 8 fluid ounces is what these little ones are. So again, be looking for that video coming soon. To go along with that video, I did pick up some of these little containers. You guys have seen me use these many times. Let's see, this is the 3-piece. It's called Organizer Basket, and it does not have a measurement on there, but you've seen me use these. You've seen me organize in my office, as well as all those lipsticks that I have. Yeah, so you guys have seen these before. They do hook together on the sides there. It has the little hooks that you can hook those together. This time I plan to use these hopefully in my refrigerator. You guys have seen my refrigerator organization before, but I needed a little bit smaller containers so that the other Sure Fresh ones that I showed you, the small ones, maybe hopefully are going to be able to stack in this for neater organization in that refrigerator. So that's the plan. We did need some more of the little dusters. This is a 3-piece set, comes with the handle and 2 of the little duster heads. And we needed some more garbage bags for the bathroom, so I picked up some of these. And yes, I know that these are the 13-gallon tall ones, but we fold them over, tie a little knot. They work perfectly. These are not super great quality. You guys have watched a Worth a Buck before where I compared all the different bags at Dollar Tree. So this is not one that I would use in my kitchen, but they do work really well for those bathrooms. So we picked up one of those. And you guys know that I've been on this Transformation Tuesday journey trying to lose a little bit of weight. So I finally broke down and got some of the Jillian Michaels workout DVDs. I have some of hers here already, so I wasn't in a big hurry to get these when they rolled out a couple weeks ago, but they were still in the store this time and thought, well, why not? So I picked up hers on Killer Cardio, and then I also picked up the Beginner Shred. It's supposed to make me shredded in 30 days. We'll see. All right, we've been through 3 bags to go. Told you it was a big one. You might need to stop right now and go get you a little drink, hit pause, and come back. In the store this time, the Bolero was back. Yes, and I know some of you really love the Bolero products and some of you don't. They have the bath fizzers, they have the bar soaps, they have hand lotions, and just a whole little variety of different stuff there. But I really love the bar soaps. These bars are huge, you guys. Let me see if I can show you just how big they are. Check it out. Oh, this one smells good. This is the vanilla cream. Yes, but they're huge. Look at the size of that bar. And because I'm the only one that uses these, the Hubs has his soap that he likes to enjoy. These last a really long time. So for just $1, I definitely recommend them. I enjoy them anyway. I know some of you have hauled them and you don't really like them, but I do. And I think they last a long time, giving you a great value. And the great thing about it is they're all natural. Let's see here what it says. There's no artificial dyes. It's cruelty-free. And it's supposed to be much, much healthier for your skin overall without all those unnecessary chemicals. So definitely worth it for me. I picked up the vanilla cream, the argan oil and shea butter, the coconut milk and mango. Love this one. The lavender and chamomile. And I picked up the lemon, verbena, and mint. Yes, another great smelling one. So I highly recommend these. I really do. An all-natural soap. If you go to the health store, you're going to pay a whole lot more money for an all-natural soap. So I enjoy them. Here are some more of those little SureFresh containers. These are the round ones. The other ones were rectangular, and these are going to be great for different types of foods. So you're going to be watching for that video.
You're going to want to be watching for that video, if I could just say it right.
Saw this little thing in the store this time. I believe they may have had these last summer. Can't remember for sure. These are on the aisle where it has all the boxes that says dollar value for spring or whatever it says in there. But this is a little travel salad dressing little thing here. Not sure exactly what you call it, but listen. Snaps really tight, and look, it's bendable so you can squeeze that salad dressing out. Very nice. Been waiting for one of these all my life, and now they finally have one. So I definitely picked up one of those. And yet another bag. Don't know why these didn't all go together, but there is some more of those little copper accents. This is the copper binder clips. Baby girl found her some makeup. This is from the brand Beauty Benefits. This one is a bronzer. This is in the color Hazelnut. She wanted to try that. Now I do have a video of full face first impressions on all of the products from this Beauty Benefits line. I will have that linked for you down below if you want to know the quality of these little makeups, but she found that. Baby girl also found her some of the Bolero body cream. She absolutely enjoys this. And let's see, she's got the lavender and chamomile. For the first time in my store, I saw these adorable little hand sanitizer pouches. This is the Tootsie Rolls, because everybody knows I love the Tootsie Roll. This is a rubber, and it has the little grip here. You can put it on the outside of a book bag or gym bag or your purse even, and it does come with the hand sanitizer in it. So you get the little container of the hand sanitizer and the little rubber case there. Now let's smell it. Oh, they make these so hard to get into. Oh yes, that absolutely smells like a Tootsie Roll. Woo, excited about this one. So I found that one. Found Junior Mints. Let's see. That does smell minty. I don't necessarily know that it smells exactly like the Junior Mints candy, but it does smell minty and nice. And I found the Sugar Daddies. Who else loves Sugar Daddies? Sugar Daddies and Sugar Babies. Horrible for your teeth. All that chewy caramel, it's bad for your teeth, but I love those. Those were some of my favorites growing up. Oh, yes. I think it does smell like that. I really do think it does smell like the Sugar Baby, more the Sugar Babies probably than the Sugar Daddy. They kind of both smelled similar, but it reminds me more of the little package of the Sugar Babies. So yes, very happy to find these. Pick me up another one of the little easel stands. I use these around the house for different displays, and always good to have around. To go along with those pink beaded hearts in a DIY, I picked up these red tinsel hearts. Going to combine these together, and I'll be showing you that very soon. To go along with that meal prep video, I did pick up some of these containers. Now these are the ones that come with the little plastic knife and fork on the top, and not sure if you can see right there, but it does have some divisions in the actual holder part itself, some different compartments. So I have some ideas to help you guys pre-package or plan ahead for your lunches during the week. So I picked up 5 of those. While roaming around the little racks that they have sitting up front near the registers, I came across this little exercise band. This is actually the little rubber loop that you can put your arms in and, you know, do this, or your legs or your knees, working on those thighs. Not sure how great a quality it's going to be from the Dollar Tree, but I thought I'd give it a try for just a buck. Picked up some of the Sassy and Chic BB cream. I want to do a little review worth the buck on this for you guys to let you know if it's worth it. You guys know how I feel already about other foundations at Dollar Tree. So I don't know if I have real high hopes for this one, but I did want to try it because this is one of the beauty products that I have not tried yet. So I'll be letting you know. And then last but not least, I did pick up this little 2 set of storage containers here. It is the rectangular ones. You guys can see that's probably about 8 inches long, I suppose, and maybe about 3 inches wide. I do plan to use these also in my refrigerator organization with some of this new healthy meal prep that I'm doing, because it's so important to keep prepared ahead of time if you want to be successful with all that snacking. And there you go. Finally, that's it. I know this was a big one. This was a big one. I haven't had a Dollar Tree haul quite this big in a long time, but I'm very excited about it. I'm especially excited about that food prep stuff that I'm working on for you over on the other channel. So you're definitely going to want to go over there and make sure you subscribe. We got all kinds of stuff coming your way, and it's all health related. That's where it's all contained over there. Quite a bit of stuff today. Now I've got the busy job of putting it all away, but it was fun nonetheless, and always fun to sit here with you for a few minutes. It's kind of like our adult show and tell. Yeah, and I love it. I really do. So I want to thank all of you so very much for sitting here with me if you made it this far, and I want to remind you, you really were created for purpose. So get out there and be all you can be. I'll see you soon in the next video.